Welcome to Sukhil Liman in Odessa at a, all I can call it is a Soviet railway, Soviet train stop. We're trying to get to a town called, what's the town called where the fortress is?
Bilhorod-Dniestrovskyi.
Bilhorod-Dniestrovskyi, and there's a fortress there. We've got to get on this thing called an Elektrichka, which is like it's a Soviet train that goes regionally between like smaller towns and cities and stuff. And this is where we've ended up. Instead of going to Odessa city centre, we thought it'd be easier because we had to go like 45 minutes up and then down on the train for 35 minutes, or we could just get an Uber across to here, which right now didn't seem a good idea because we've got no cash. So hopefully we can pay with card on the train. We'll find out, because it could be let's go up here. It could be just so old that we can't. Anyway, this is the train station.
The train stops here for 1 minute, so it's not a station, just a stop for people who live nearby.
Are we on the right side? Oh, probably. Let's find out. We'll have to walk over the pieces of wood on the middle of the train tracks, if not. So this is Sukhil Liman. Beer bottles on the floor. Would you ride this train? Would you have done this? I mean, obviously I've got a Ukrainian with me. On my own, I'd be like, you know what? I'm gonna get the Uber back to Odessa. But maybe not. Maybe I just would have done it anyway. Tanya's worried that we won't be able to pay with card on the train. Well, if we can't pay with card, we'll just get off and just go somewhere else. We'll just go next week. So, worst case scenario for everything I always say, if you've got money, you can pretty much get out of any situation. We've got enough money to, if we get on this train, then it starts moving. And then he goes, we're on the card, we get off at the next stop and get an Uber back. No problem. So I don't worry.
It happened with me that I sent money to the card for some taxi driver. It wasn't Uber, just I didn't have cash, and he said that's my number of my bank card, and just send money to him. I don't know if it works with the elektrichka, probably not.
No, you can just pretend you don't speak Ukrainian or Russian. Just say you're English like me. But yeah, this is there's obviously there's two babushkas over there. We still don't know if we're on the right side of the road. Let me know your views on what you would have done if you got here and you didn't have a Ukrainian speaker or a Russian speaker with you. Would you have got out of the Uber and just gone, oh no, can you take me back? Or would you have just done it anyway? I'm gonna have a quick look around. A lot of broken bottles and stuff. Actually, they're not broken. Just people had a nice bev last night. So I had a quick look on the map, and that goes back to Odessa that way, and this way goes south. So I would assume that because we're here in a right side driving country, that the train's going to come this way on the right hand side of the track. I think it'd be very odd if it was over there, but yeah, I would assume we're going that way. I don't know if you can see in the distance, but there's a really nice church over there, cathedral or whatever, bright white with gold domes. I might be able to see that out the side of the train. We'll see. We drove past it on the way. It was under construction, but it looked good. But these are the train tracks in Sukhil Liman.
Sukhil means dry.
Oh.
Liman is the place where the river falls into the sea. So Liman, like
I don't actually know what that's called.
But it's kind of sea, but it's kind of closed mostly. So we have several places like this. Some people prefer Liman to the sea. So probably it's, I'm not sure if it's a bay.
Could be. There's I know just there, that side, there's some sort of water thing. I've seen it on the map. So it's probably that. Yeah, so over here we've got, I assume that's a shop where the two old ladies are sat over there. And then there's some other sort of potential shop over there, but it looks like a tent. This is the real outskirts of Ukraine. I've seen the signs at Odessa with the red line through it. So we were leaving Odessa, you were on your phone. And then I looked up and it was just dry farmland. So we'll show you the train. Let me know in the comments, would you get on this train? Also subscribe if you're not already. Daily vlogs from Odessa and around Ukraine until we leave. And I'm not telling you where we're going next, but it'll be interesting. You can guess in the comments if you want, if you think you know. If you haven't followed me on Twitter, follow me on Twitter as well. I'll release some stuff on there. This is a building, I've just seen there's a door on the corner but it's closed. I don't know what it is.
Maybe there was a station, but now probably just a train stop. You can't buy tickets here. So maybe it used to be bigger station with more trains, and they maybe used to sell tickets.
There's a load of people walking across the track over there.
Проводника, все вопросы на проводника. Все вопросы на проводника.
What's going on? Once we go to the find the driver. Yeah, so we got on and we don't have any cash, so Tanya spoke to the guard and she actually said just come back on the next one and pay us the money there. It was only 50 hryvnia, but we just don't have cash, so we're going to see if we can make that one. If not, we'll try and pay double maybe on the way back. It's very hot on here, but it's not too bad.
Настроение хорошего отдыха. Будьте здоровы.
definitely not Miami.
Шановні пасажири, згідно з постановою Кабінету Міністрів України, у зв'язку з проведенням на території України карантину.
And we're here, we're in, what's the name of the city again?
Bilhorod-Dniestrovskyi.
Bilhorod-Dniestrovskyi. I'm going to go to a fortress, you can see that on tomorrow's video. But would you get on this old Soviet train in Ukraine? Did you see the bit in the middle where we were on like a little peninsula? That was pretty cool. See one side and then something else the other side. And we'll see you tomorrow.